Hi everyone, this is Miss Kilroy. Today I'm going to show you the atom pamphlet and the atom model assignment that you need to accomplish. So once you are on EDU on your science page, click on resources on the left hand side, then click on other, and then in here I want you to click on the PDF for atom model and pamphlet project. Here is everything that you need to complete at home on your project. So the goal is to create an informational pamphlet and an element about an element and a three-dimensional model of an atom. You guys are welcome to choose whatever element you are interested in. You can choose between carbon all the way through krypton. So that is between elements number 6 all the way through 36. You can't do anything below carbon or anything above krypton. Come see me. Those are the elements you can research. It is up to you what you want to do. For the pamphlet, here's everything you need to include. The description and physical properties, the history, the uses of the element, the atomic structure. You need a Bohr representation on the pamphlet, an actual picture of the element, periodic square, and you need to cite at least 2 resources. So you want to use MLA format, and you also need to design a cool looking cover. So before we get to the pamphlet design, I want to discuss where you can find all of this information. I don't want you just Googling things randomly. I want you to go to the Santa Barbara Junior High's website and then click on links. From here, I want you to click on SBJH Digital Library. And then right here, chemical elements. Chemical elements from carbon to krypton. Hey, that's everything you guys need to know. So when you click on this, your password is condors. Click log in. And from here you can see that all of the elements 6 through 36 are all on here. So if you want to find more information, click on what element you're researching and it gives you almost everything you need to take notes on. So first I would take notes and then I would go into creating your pamphlet. When you make the pamphlet, you want to go into Word and you want to click on brochures. So they already have all these cool layouts you can choose. You can do a trifold brochure. They have different templates for all of these. So this kind of makes it simple and you can choose which layout you're interested in. Once you decide on that, you can organize all of your information however you want. As long as it's nice and neat and has all of the content on there, it'll be great. Here are some examples from last year. So 1, 2, 3 pictures, has all of the important information, and this is a 2-sided one. And another example. So these would print out like a trifold and then you can just open it up like a brochure. Okay, it has the Bohr diagram printed, has some interesting facts, uses. Make sure your works cited page is in MLA format. I'm requiring that you use 2 sources. Okay, from there, it's not what I want to open. Oh, here we are. Okay. Once you've completed your pamphlet, you need to create an atom model. So you will construct a model of an atom of the same element that you have researched, okay? So it has to be the same element that you researched that you're building a model of. And you need to use the following requirements as a checklist, okay? So your model must have a nucleus of protons and neutrons. You decide what you want your materials to be made out of. You must have the proper number of electron energy levels, proper number of electrons. Okay, your model can't be constructed of any soft fruit or pulpy material that drips or rots, okay? I want to have these for a while and I don't want mold or flies coming in. I want to hang them up in the room for a while. You also have to have a string or cord so I can hang it from the ceiling. You also need a card at the bottom hanging from your model. This way, it makes it nice and clear what your atom name is, your number, atomic mass, all the protons, neutrons, and electrons. Make sure you have a key so I know what is what, okay? This is how you will be graded. Now notice there's extra credit given for creativity. So if I see the effort there, if I see the extra time spent on that, if you have a theme, some pizzazz going on, I'll give you extra credit. I like to see a lot of effort put into things. So here are some examples. So we have a bunch of atom models hanging. Notice how they have the cards dangling from their atom models. Some more examples. It's really fun when they're all hanging around the room, really decorates it nicely. Here are some close-ups. So be creative with this. It's really fun, actually. Okay, so if you have any questions, come see me. This will not be due until October 22nd. During that time, you will need to turn in your pamphlet and your atom model. But you guys can go ahead and get started researching what element you are interested in. And if you have any questions, come see me. Good luck.